Hello everyone, and welcome to another Smart Arts Weekly Challenge video. My name is Jake, and today we'll be doing the very first challenge prompt this month, those words being fall leaves. I don't know if it looks like fall where you guys are, but here in Minnesota, it's winter. So when it came to making this piece, I was inspired to make an oak leaf. Mainly because when I went outside to let my dogs out to go to the bathroom, I noticed that the only tree in my yard yet to lose its leaves was my oak tree. Which I will say is going to be really frustrating because my wiener dog loves to attack leaves in the wind, and even though all the leaves currently are out of the yard, I am not looking forward to when those leaves fall. But with this piece, I worked more in a retractive than additive way in this one, unlike the skull where I slowly built up the skull area with the clay until it had the general shape that I needed. This piece, I slowly removed the clay and then pushed the clay down until I had the leaf shape that I wanted from this board. But I'm gonna go roll in some leaves, and I will see you all at the end with the final results. Alright everyone, that is it, our completed piece using the words fall leaves. Now I think this turned out really cool, but you're gonna have to let me know what you think down below. Now don't forget about the other weekly challenge prompts. If you don't know where they are, check the back of your brochure. They're gonna be right in the bottom corner there for you. And make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one, where I try to tackle these challenges myself. And if you enjoy my work, make sure to check me out over my personal channel over at Naughty Egg Draw. The link's gonna be down in the description. But that is all for today, everyone, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!